Mama Bear made coffee this morning. So, yeah, cheers. We had some visitors last night. We had some coyotes.
What the hell was that?
We had a bobcat.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, they were pretty loud, but it was fun. I liked it. I was hoping for a Bigfoot. Didn't get a Bigfoot, but you know, what are you gonna do? Nestled in the heart of the North Carolina mountains, the Appalachian Pond Campground feels like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Surrounded by towering trees and the peaceful sound of nature, it's more than just a place to stay, it's a place to reconnect. From the moment we arrived, we felt right at home. John and Brandy, our wonderful hosts, greeted us with smiles as warm as a campfire. Their kindness and hospitality made all the difference, turning our getaway into a truly memorable experience. We are here visiting my son, Logan, who moved 1 billion miles away from us.
Not that far.
Okay, maybe not that far.
I didn't take a spaceship.
But we are at this beautiful Appalachian Pond Campground. Definitely need to check them out. It's nice. And the people here, the hosts, are really, really nice to deal with. They're very accommodating. Woke up a little late. Been rushing for 2 days. Figured we wouldn't rush much more. We're going to stay here for probably 3 days. Maybe longer. We'll see. Then we're going to move up to Virginia, the Appalachian Mountains in Virginia. Visit my mother's grave. After that, then we'll probably do some truck camping back home. But for now, we're going to stay here. Visit with my son, V, and we're going to go do some exciting stuff. Maybe get Logan a haircut. Alright, we're leaving the campsite to go hunt for our food at Juicy Lucy's. Apparently that's a really good burger place. V is driving, so pray for us. This is a pretty rugged trail we're on, but let's do it. Well, we ate at the Juicy Lucy's. I got the ribeye burger. That's the best damn burger I ever had. How'd you like it, Daisy?
I got nachos with pork.
She ate about a spoonful of it because it was so much. Anyway, so the kids will have meals for the next week. Anyway, how'd you like it, Logan?
Been my favorite restaurant ever since I got here, so
Okay.
why y'all like it?
Absolutely good. Well, that's the end of another exciting day. I will tell you all about it in the morning. For now, we're going to bed. Good night.
Good night.
Educate you. Good morning, everybody. On this fine, brisk Tuesday morning at the Appalachian Pond Campground in Waynesville, North Carolina.
That's right.
Yesterday, we went and ate at Juicy Lucy's.
Fabulous.
Oh, it was so good. Like the best burger I'd ever had. If you're ever in the area, check Juicy Lucy's out.
Which is actually in Asheville.
It's actually in Asheville, yes. Which is Waynesville, Asheville, and Clyde are all in the area. But they're all very eclectic, very cool towns. I mean, yeah.
Hilly.
Yeah.
A lot of hills.
A lot of hills. Yeah, well, we're in the mountains, so. But anyway, so we did that. Then we went and bought some provisions. It's been a couple cold nights, and so we went and got another sleeping bag. And last night we slept great. At least I slept great. Did you sleep great?
I slept great until something woke me up.
Yeah, there was some type of animalistic scream in the woods, kind of freaked her out a little bit. I think it was a bobcat catching its prey, but came back to the camp and V built a fire, and
He was the fire master.
he was the fire master for the night.
I made fire!
Daisy made up some s'mores for everybody, and then we listened to some Fallout New Vegas music.
Everybody got their groove on.
Yep.
I even got a dance out of it.
Oh, yep. Mama Bear got a dance out of it. It was a good time.
Oh, there's the gun.
There's a military surplus right there, baby, with the gun. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, looks good. All right, pick something up for me now. From the Vietnam War. Old Grouch's military surplus. Old Grouch.
Oh, I'm moving to another team.
View of Cold Mountain, elevation 6030. Elevation here is 4548, and that over there is Cold Mountain. It's pretty.
It is. Much cooler up here, too.
Yeah, it is.
Down in Waynesville.
It's been 35 years since I set foot on this land. The place where my roots run deep, where every ridge and hollow holds a piece of who I am. The Appalachian Mountains, my home. Life took me far away. Cities, jobs, new faces, new places. But no matter where I went, these mountains were always with me. In my heart, in my memories. And now, after all these years, I'm back. It's strange how something so old, so eternal, can feel both the same and different. The mountains are still here, strong and steady, but the world around them has changed, and so have I. Coming back after so many years, I feel a deep sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the memories this place gave me and for the lessons it taught me, even when I wasn't paying attention.
Hi. You're so pretty.
Maybe I left these mountains, but they never left me. The sound of the wind through the trees, the feel of the earth beneath my feet, the way the sun sets behind the ridges, these things are woven into my soul. After all these years, I realize now how home isn't just a place, it's a feeling. And no matter how far life takes you, there's no place like home in the Appalachian Mountains. Babe, you gotta at least come down here and walk to here. It really is cool. You have a good day today?
I've been having some good days.
That's good. All right, we just threw some colored powder in the fire. It's supposed to make the flames go different colors or something.
Underperforming squad of troops by beating its commander to death in full view of everyone. Delighted and ordered a tenth of his own force be killed by the other 9/10.
Oh, that's cool.
So cool.
That's a coyote. That's why I got them to that. Not just for the fire.
Oh,
Don't stop it.
oh,
Don't.
you mother.